documentary on cow horn production begins here, where natural cow horns are transformed into valuable industrial and luxury products through advanced factory technology and skilled craftsmanship. For centuries, cow horns have been used in traditional tools and decorative items. Today, modern industries process them into premium accessories, fashion products, and industrial materials used worldwide. The journey begins at large cattle farms, where cow horns are carefully collected and inspected. Specialists examine the size, thickness, and quality of each horn to ensure it meets industrial standards. Once approved, the horns are transported in special vehicles designed to protect them from damage and contamination during delivery to the factory. At the factory, the cow horns are unloaded and sorted into different categories based on size and shape. Workers carefully inspect every horn and remove damaged pieces before processing begins. This first inspection stage ensures that only high-quality raw materials continue through the manufacturing process. The horns are then washed using hyper-sure water systems that remove dirt, blood, and surface impurities. After cleaning, the horns are dried completely to eliminate moisture. Proper cleaning and drying are important because they improve quality and prepare the horns for shaping and polishing operations. In the next stage, the horns are heated using steam and hot water systems. Heat softens the hard horn structure, making it flexible enough for cutting and shaping. Modern factory machines control temperature carefully to prevent cracking or damage during the softening process. Once softened, advanced cutting machines slice the horns into different sections. Some pieces are prepared for buttons, while others are used for combs, jewelry, knife handles, and decorative products. Every cut is performed with precision to reduce waste and maximize material usage inside the factory. After cutting, sanding machines smooth the rough surfaces of the horn pieces. Different grades of sanding wheels are used to remove imperfections and create a clean finish. This process improves the texture and prepares the products for polishing and final shaping. The polishing stage uses robotic wheels and special polishing compounds to create a glossy and smooth surface. Some products are polished by hand to achieve a premium luxury finish. This process enhances the natural patterns and colors found inside each cow horn product. In some factories, laser machines engrave decorative patterns and detailed designs onto the horn surfaces. These advanced systems create highly precise artwork that increases the value and uniqueness of the final products. Decorative engraving is especially popular for luxury fashion accessories. During assembly, horn components are combined with other materials, such as leather, wood, or metal. Skilled workers carefully attach and shape every piece to create finished products. This combination of craftsmanship and machinery ensures durability, beauty, and consistency in every item. Quality control is one of the most important stages inside the factory. Inspectors examine each product carefully for cracks, surface defects, shape accuracy, and polish quality. Any defective products are removed immediately to maintain international manufacturing standards and customer satisfaction. Finally, the finished cow horn products are packaged carefully, using protective materials to prevent damage during shipping. The products are labeled and prepared for export to stores, fashion brands, and industrial buyers around the world. This complete journey represents the perfect combination of technology, industry, and skilled craftsmanship.